In this video, we are going to make a completely free raised bed garden without buying a single thing. Everything we use will come directly from our garden. It's simple, cost-free, and a great way to reuse old materials. So, let's start the process. The first thing we'll do is clear the area where the bed will be built. We'll remove weeds, stones, or any old plants from the spot so that the surface is clean and even. Having a smooth and level area makes the bed easier to build and helps water spread evenly later on. Once the area is cleared, we'll mark the size and shape of the bed. You can choose whatever size fits your space: rectangular, square, or even a small curved one if your garden layout allows. Next, we'll start building the boundary of the bed. For this, we're using old bamboo sticks that we had saved from last year. These sticks were once used for trellises, and instead of throwing them away, we're putting them to good use again. Bamboo is strong, lightweight, and very easy to work with, making it perfect for creating a natural-looking garden frame. We'll place the bamboo sticks along the marked lines and press a brick beside each stick, slightly pushing it into the soil to keep it firm and in place. This will form the basic outer structure of our raised bed. Now comes the most important step: completing the wall of the bed. For this, we are using branches from a mulberry tree. Mulberry branches are perfect for this job because they are flexible, durable, and easy to bend into shape without breaking. You can easily curve them and tie them together to make a strong natural wall. If you don't have a mulberry tree, you can also use branches from willow or guava trees. Both are flexible enough to bend and strong enough to hold the shape of the bed. Willow, especially, bends easily and looks very neat, while guava branches give a sturdy and natural look. As shown in the video, we bend the mulberry branches and weave or tie them together with rope to form the sides of the bed. The rope helps to secure the branches tightly so they don't move out of place. You don't need anything special. An old piece of rope or twine works perfectly. Once the branches are tied and the structure feels solid, you'll have a strong, attractive border made entirely from garden materials. It gives the raised bed a rustic and natural look that fits beautifully into any garden. Now that the frame is ready, it's time to fill the bed. We didn't use any organic material, compost layers, or kitchen waste in this bed. We kept it very simple. We first filled it with plain garden soil, the same soil we already had in our garden. After filling it to the desired height, we spread a layer of fully decomposed manure on top. This manure is well-aged and completely broken down, which means it's safe for plants and won't burn the roots. This top layer of manure adds nutrients that help plants grow healthy and strong. Once the bed is filled, we use a shovel or rake to level the surface. Leveling is an important step because it helps water distribute evenly across the bed. After leveling, we water the bed thoroughly. This first watering helps the soil settle down and removes any air gaps inside. Once the soil absorbs the water and becomes firm, the bed will be ready for planting. And that's it. Our free-raised bed garden is ready. You can start planting right away. The soil, combined with the top layer of decomposed manure, is already rich enough for vegetables, herbs, or flowers to grow well. This method is a great example of how you can build something useful and beautiful without spending anything. By using old bamboo sticks, branches from your trees, and simple soil from your garden, you can create a strong, natural-looking raised bed that will last a long time. It's environmentally friendly, cost-free, and adds a wonderful rustic touch to your space. So, if you want to make your own raised bed garden, just look around your yard, You might already have everything you need: old sticks, flexible branches like mulberry, willow, or guava, some garden soil, and a bit of decomposed manure. With a little effort, creativity, and time, you can make a beautiful garden bed completely for free. Once it's ready, plant your favorite vegetables or herbs and enjoy watching them grow in a bed you built with your own hands. Gardening doesn't always need money. Sometimes it just needs imagination, patience, and the joy of working with what nature already provides.